If you want to sell items on eBay and let buyers compete to get the best price, auction-style listings are a great option. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to list an auction on eBay step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create an auction listing and start attracting bidders easily. First, open the eBay website or app and sign into your seller account. If you don't already have one, create an account and complete your seller details. Once you're logged in, click on the Sell button to start creating a new listing. Next, enter the title of your item. Make sure it is clear and includes important details like brand, model, condition, and key features. A strong title helps your listing appear in search results and attract more bidders. Now, select the appropriate category for your item. Choosing the right category ensures your listing reaches the right audience. After that, upload high-quality images of your product from different angles. Good photos can significantly increase interest in your auction. Scroll down to the pricing section and choose Auction as your listing format. Then, set your starting bid price. It's a good idea to start at a competitive price to attract more bidders. You can also set a reserve price if you don't want the item to sell below a certain amount. Next, choose the auction duration such as 3, 5, 7, or 10 days. Longer durations can give more people time to find your listing, but shorter ones can create urgency. After that, fill in the item description. Include all important details, like condition, specifications, and any defects. Being honest helps build trust with buyers. Then set up your shipping details, including handling time, cost, and delivery options. Make sure everything is accurate so buyers know what to expect. Once everything is complete, review your listing carefully. Check for any mistakes or missing information. Then click the List Item button to publish your auction. Your auction is now live, and buyers can start placing bids. Keep an eye on your listing and respond to any questions from potential buyers. In this tutorial, we learned how to list an auction on eBay by creating a listing, selecting auction format, setting a starting price, and publishing it. This helps you sell items competitively and potentially earn higher profits. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.